What's up, guys? Welcome to Learning Korean, episode 14, I think. Yeah, I think so. You finished 13th and you advanced to the Silver League. Nice. But I don't know what it means. Yes, today I'm gonna do animals, maybe 2 or 3 episodes because of 5 lessons. Yeah, let's start. Let's see the tips first. There are lots of tips. Okay. Imperative Korean has several verbal moods, and depending on how the verb is used in the sentence. The imperative mood is used to give orders in haship, hashipsho, hashipsho, che. Is it hashipsho, che? Hashipsho, che.
하십시오, 채.
Yeah, this was like a kind of weird, like the E and O, like EO. Hashipsho, che. Is formed by taking the verb stem and adding shipsho. There's no word corresponding to please in Korean. Like they use like shipoyo at the end, I think. Ending in vowel. Shipsho. Kada. Kashipsho. And how do you read this? Let's see. I would say 앉으십시오.
앉으십시오.
To ride. Tada in Korean means to ride. The same for animals as it for a vehicle. It can also be translated to as take. As in I take the bus to school. Alright. We introduce some animals throughout the course that are not well known as some of the others but are common in Korea. Here we meet the kachi. Kachi is a magpie, type of black-white bird. There are many animals in Korean that end with E. For example, kokiri is an elephant.
코끼리.
How do you say like the difference between like this K and this K? Kokiri.
코끼리. 코끼리.
Kokiri. Rat and mouse languages group things differently. One example is Korean. In Korean is chui, which can mean both rat and mouse. If only we're more specific, saying chui means on mouse only. So 생선 means fish, and 물고기 refers to fish as living animal. And what's then bulgogi? Bulgogi is like a type of meat, I think. Fish. How do I say bulgogi? I think. Is this like how you write it? Yeah, something like this. Barbecued beef. Yes, I see like a thing here, like sing here, and or was it here also sing? Like, what's the meaning of it? Raw. Life. Living. I don't know. Let's start. Yes, I'm gonna do 2 lessons. Yeah, because of the intro. It took some time. Rabbit. Toki.
토끼,
Awesome. Turtle. Kobuki.
거북이,
Should like write it down? Yeah, because when like I'm gonna use turtle. Rabbit maybe, but turtle.
거북이는 느립니다.
거북이는 노립니다. Was like slow or think 느리다. 거북이는 fish. 물고기. And it's like as an animal. 물고기.
물고기,
거북이와 토끼.
A turtle and a rabbit. Yeah, the Y is the end. Bird. Also says the bird like I thought it's like the thing, the what's the name? I forgot.
새,
So,
그 새가 작습니다.
작습니다. What's 작다? What's 작다?
작습니다.
Small. Ah, 작다 was to write. Okay. I learned this already, but I'm gonna write it down.
작습니다. 작습니다.
It's small.
사람과 동물,
사람과 love and no people and or humans and 동물.
동물,
So 동물 is animal. 사람과
토끼는 동물입니다. 토끼는 동물입니다. 동물입니다.
So a rabbit is an animal.
거북이가 사과를 먹습니다.
거북이가. It was a turtle. 사과를. A 사과 movie? No. 영화's movie. 사과 apple. He's eating an apple. 거북이가 사과를 먹습니다. Eggs are expensive in Korea. How was eggs again? 맛이 nope. Juice nope. 계란이. Yeah, I think this one.
계란이.
This mountain shows. Okay. 한국인.
한국은. 비쌉니다.
Oh, so it's like the other way around. It shouldn't be like a 한국에서? Like the place a marking particle? I don't know. Confusing
토끼들이
sometimes.
저를 봅니다.
토끼, rabbit. 저를. 보다. To come? Is coming?
봅니다.
Looking at. To look at. 보다. Yeah, maybe. 저. 보다 is to look. Yeah. Where's the O? To see, to look.
토끼를 보십시오.
Does this mean like oh or yeah. Rabbit? Oh, I thought like it meant like a yeah, please.
보십시오. 보십시오.
Yeah, it does. Okay.
새는 물고기를 먹습니다.
물기. 물고기. What's 물고기 again? Fish. Yeah, fish. Okay, so here is the it's a fish. I think the bird.
새는
It's a fish. And then is the topic. So the bird. Rel is the object. Bird eats fish.
이 물고기를 보십시오. 저 새들을 보십시오.
These birds. Alright. Write this in Korean. Is a human an animal?
사람은
있는 topic. Animal. 동물. 동물입니까?
동물입니까?
Look at this fish.
물고기를. 이 물고기를 보십시오.
Nice. Okay. Spider. Komi.
거미,
Hey, this can be maybe useful. I don't know when, but
물고기와 거미,
fish. Fish and a spider. And how do you say Spider-Man in Korean? Komi saram? Let's see. Probably not, but it doesn't work? Okay. Mouse tree,
쥐.
yeah. I learned the second day intro.
쥐는 귀엽습니까?
Are mice cute? Nope. 늑대. 늑대.
늑대, 늑대,
Like a weird I don't know, voice.
늑대,
늑대. Okay. Should I write it down? I don't. Nah. 늑대.
이 늑대는 제 친구입니다.
This wolf is my friend. My friend. Tiger. 호랑이.
호랑이,
Yeah, I can know this one. 호랑이. Sounds like a cat. 고양이. 호랑이.
호랑이와 고양이,
As I said. So here we have two subjects.
호랑이와
Tigers and duck. 오리.
오리. 그 쥐가 무겁지 않습니다.
Should we have mouse again? Yeah. No. Yeah. Alright. This mouse 무겁지 않습니다. What's 무겁다 again?
무겁지,
heavy. Where did I have it? Heavy. Oh yeah, from episode 11. 무겁다, heavy. So you have to use add chi.
않습니다. 않습니다.
Okay.
그 거미를 조심하십시오.
Let's call me again.
거미를
I see it. Spider. 조심하십시오요. I can hear it like this often. 조심하십시오. 조심합시오.
조심하십시오.
조심합시오. 조심하십시오. 조심하십시오. Watch out for that spider.
이 쥐가 위험합니다. 조심하십시오.
This mouse 위험합니다. What's 위험?
위험합니다.
That's new, I think. So probably like
위험합니다. 위험합니다.
위험하다 means 위험하다. That's new. 조심하십시오. Be careful.
거미는 위험합니다. 거미는 위험합니다. 위험합니다. 거미는 위험합니다.
This spider is
거미는 위험합니다.
are dangerous
오리는 공원에서 늑대를
in
봅니다.
Australia.
오리는 공원에서 늑대를 봅니다.
우리는 공원에서 this meant park, I think, in a park.
공원에서
Okay. 늑대를 this meant a wolf. Was it?
늑대를
봅니다. To see. So we can see like wolves in the park.
오리는
okay. I think 우리는 like our, we. Okay, so the sentence is different. 있는 topic is object. So a duck sees a wolf in a park. Sees a wolf in the park. Like sometimes like it takes me like a while like to translate like a sentence because of I'm still like new to it. So yeah, because like the sentence structure is also like difficult. So I have to like see like duck, then here, then here, then here.
늑대와 호랑이는 오리를 봅니다.
늑대와 the wolf and 호랑 the tiger 오리를 봅니다. Yeah, the duck because of 오리. The wolf and the tiger watch the duck. Okay, harder. This mouse, E.
이
쥐가?
쥐가
쥐가? Not 쥐가?
쥐가
Okay.
쥐가, 쥐가, 쥐가,
Hmm.
위, 위,
Yeah, we. Okay. 위험합니다.
위험합니다. 조심하십시오.
I want to hear it again. I can't. I can't copy paste it to watch the duck. Okay. The wolf. 늑대와.
늑대와
The tiger. 호랑이는.
호랑이는
So now the duck. Wait. 오리를
오리를
봅니다.
봅니다.
Perfect. Continue. Okay, so next lesson, we're gonna do maybe 3 lessons of animals, and then questions. Yeah, so it's gonna be like more and more like difficult, probably. Actions too. What else? Modifiers, commands, past tense. I know some of it. Continuous, compound, phrases. That was like the end. Boom, pow. Okay. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe.